It's happening. So the time has come for these roots to get done because no. So my hairdresser hooked me up with some products to do it at home. So we're gonna do it. I don't recommend anybody to ever bleach their own hair. Ever. Unless you are a trained professional, which I am a trained hairdresser, so that's the only reason why I am doing my own hair. Other than that, I wouldn't even attempt to do it because bleach can be very damaging on the hair. It can snap your hair off like that. Trust me, I've been there over the years. I'm gonna get my boyfriend to help me with the back because what can happen is, so when you do your sections and you do the root bit, you can't overlap onto this blonde because this is already processed. So if you go in with bleach and you overlap on the blonde, it's just gonna over process your hair and it's just gonna snap off. Yeah, that's why bleach can be so damaging. So that's why I'm gonna get my boyfriend to help me do the back so it doesn't get overlapped. And then I'm gonna do the front myself. So while I'm waiting for him to come back is I'm just gonna put some treatment on the ends of my hair. Right now what I'm gonna do is, as I said, I'm just gonna put some treatment through the ends just to kind of give it a little bit extra strength while we're bleaching it. So I'm going to use this Kerastase one. It's the 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. It's one of my favorites. So I'm just going to quickly go in and apply this to the mid-lengths and ends. I think I'll just focus this on the sides and around my crown area. Put some in my hand and just run that through the mid-lengths and ends. This product is amazing. It dries into the hair. At first when I used it, I thought it was just like you put it in and then wash it out a few hours later. But then one night I put it in my hair one night and got up the next day and my hair was so soft and hydrated that I didn't have to wash my hair for like 2 days after that. Section my hair like a hot cross bun. So section it all the way down and then section it from crown to ear. So I have 4 sections, 2 here and 2 here. So it's like this at the back. So I want to start the back sections first.
This is hard because you're very demanding and very perfectionist.
It has to be perfect. No, that's good. They're just the cutest. I decided I'm just going to leave the back, let that develop, rinse that off and then do the front because the back took so long to do and I don't want to like over process the back. So I just think it's going to be easier. It's going to take longer, but if it takes me all day to do my hair properly, then so be it. I'd rather do it properly than just kind of do it quicker. So yeah, he did a good job helping me. I have to say, he did. Get it rinsed off the back. As you can see, bits of it are looking a bit yellow, but I'll sort that out with a toner. Hopefully that'll shift that. I just didn't want to leave it on too long, just in case. Okay. Moving on to the next part. And I'm going to paint this onto my roots. I'm not sure what bleach this is, but the developer is this one. It's the Blonde Premium Developer and I use 30 vol. So I'm try and get this on as quick as. It's itchy. so it's a bit yellow, but I probably could have left the bleach on a little bit longer, but I was just a bit afraid in case bits of it were overlapped, and then I don't want to damage my hair. So hopefully I can shift it with the toner. I'd say I can. I don't mind if it goes a bit more purpley, just once I can get rid of the gold. I'm going to tone it now. I have this Fanola 1011, which I'm going to use, and I'm going to add a dash of this purple, which is a 699 I think, from Royal Igora. When I get my hair done, I get different toners every time because it just depends on what way it lifts that day. Like sometimes it lifts really, really clean and white, and sometimes it ends up just going a bit more or a bit more yellow. So this isn't the toner that I always use, just FYI. So I'm just painting this on as quickly as possible over the areas that I just bleached. So we want to tone the roots because the ends are okay, so I don't want to put this on the ends. But like if it gets on some of the ends, it will still be okay. Usually when I tone, like I'm not overly fussy with my toner. I don't mind if it goes like a little bit more purple or a little bit more blue, because it washes out after like a wash or two. Once I get rid of any yellow or gold in the hair, that is all I care about. I usually get my roots done, how often? Probably like every 12 weeks, I would say. 10 to 12 weeks. I usually kind of get a good bit of wear out of it. I don't like to over bleach it because my hair is fine. Over bleaching it would just not be a good thing for my hair. See that changing already, going more grey. Once I have my roots done, I just like to massage this in a little bit so it blends nicely. Usually with a toner you don't typically leave it on for too long, just a couple of minutes, and I just keep an eye on it, and then I usually just know myself when I'll rinse it. I'm going to put my leave-in treatments in now. So I have the Kerastase Length Caring Cream Gel. This is like a blow dry, like a blow drying cream. And then I have this NutriCare from Fanola, which I love. This is probably one of my favourites. It just like instantly detangles and hydrates the hair and just keeps it really nice and soft. Feels so good. I don't know if you can see that, but there is still a little bit of gold, so I'll just like leave it a few days and let my scalp settle, and then I might go in with another toner, or I might just try and tackle it with silver shampoo or purple shampoo. But I am pretty impressed that I still have hair on my head, and it feels really soft too. This is the best ever. I love it so much. I'll link it below if you want to check it out. It's so good. I think I might need to get more soon. But my hair feels so soft right now. Oh, I'm so happy that's done. It took me like 5 hours to do. I started that at like 12 o'clock today, and now it's 5. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go take a nap.